Ready? Ready, Prabhu? Vandeham Shri Guram Srijuta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnavamscha Sri Rupa Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunatham Tam Shajivam Shadaitam Parijana Sajitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Pada Sagana Lalita Vishakhanitanscha Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to assembled devotees. So today I got a question, only one question, not so many, by Narayani Devi Dasi. Dandavat pranams. Yesterday Maharaja said we should chant out of love. Is it to follow Gauravani? Should we practice like Haridas Thakur, chant mentally, subtly and loudly? We have the meaning of Mahamantra by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jiva Goswami and Gopal Guru, how to apply it while chanting. First of all, first your question, Gauravani. Chanting out of love. You know, Namacharya Haridas Thakur, he chants subtly, loudly and in mind, mentally. So, every steps is applicable, but attentively, loving manner. attentively loving manner. Means with sambandha gyan, means relation. Naam is not different from Radha Govinda. Therefore, while we chant, we have to think. While we chant, we have to think that Radha Govinda with you. I think I explained one day. First of all, we have to hear the name. Then gradually, form of name, beautiful form of name will appear, reveal in our heart. Then quality, it will appear. Then when we reveal in our heart quality, so what is that divine couple quality? Just loving affection towards all devotees. Then I explained that Leela, then a pastime, the Leela. According to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jiva Goswami Pada and Gopal Guru, so all they explain like that. First we have to pray, then gradually go through Leela. When Leela, when you are able to realize it, like Rupa Goswami Pada, once he saw the Leela and Khanja Vipro, Rupa Goswami Pada sitting in one place in Holy Dham and thinking about the pastimes of Radha Krishna, how Radharani hanging in the branch of tree and chanting Krishna, protect me. And that Leela he was looking in his vision, in his glance. And then he was laughing about it. Then naturally he felt love. Such type of Leela when you are able to feel it, then we can be one parikar, means associates of Sakhis, means, or you can be one assistants of Sakhis, like Manjari, according to our lineage. And that way, gradualist process. But I don't know what you mean Gauravani. Gauravani means, I don't know what you want to say. So anyway, I think what I explained, you understand my point. If you are not understanding, I am not able to attend your query, please let me ask, please ask me without any hesitation. Tomorrow I can answer your queries. So today, actually yesterday I was unfinished. Unfinished is this way that Jannama Suti Matrena Puman Bhavati Nirmala Tasya Tirtha Pada Kimba Daso Namava Shishyate. Dasa Nama Vishishyate. That is the way most important. This is Srimad Bhagavatam, but actually that meaning written by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur like this. Jahar Naam Sravan Matrai Jid Nirmal Hon সেই তীর্থপদ ভগবানে যাহারা দাস তাহাদের আর কি অবশিষ্ট প্রাপ্য থাকে. Means whose name, Bhagavad says, whose name, just to hear, Sravan means hearing, then your heart, your consciousness, your chitta become free from all material dust. Chitta nirmal. No more desire for name and fame. No more desire to get material worship. No more recognition desire. Such type of dirt become completely clean. Say Tirthapada, whose name? Tirthapada Bhagavan means, Tirthapada Bhagavan means, who is this our Supreme Lord Krishna. Tirthapada, where is Supreme Lord put his feet, that become Tirtha pilgrimage. Who become his dash means servant. Who become his servant. তাদের আর কি অবশিষ্ট প্রাপ্য থাকে. That means, who is supreme controller, if we become his servant, intimate personal servant, or we can say close to him, then you can have also everything, right? Supreme personality of Godhead with you, that means entire world under you. No need to beg anything. Anything tiny demand. You have that who is owner of entire universe. He is with you. So therefore, Vaishnava is such beneficial because Tirthapada Bhagavan in resting in their heart. Narottam Thakur says that who is Tirthapada, they are called sadhu. Vaishnava. Sadhu, but Vaishnava real sadhu. So, in the heart of Vaishnava, Tomara Hridaya Sada Govinda Vishram. In the heart of Vaishnava, Lord resting forever. Also Vaishnava, also Lord, Supreme Lord Govinda says that I am, my Vaishnava is my, and the Supreme Lord Govinda says, Vaishnava is my life and soul. Life and soul. Also, Bhaktivinoda Thakur on a song he says, Tirthapal sadhu sango, sadhu sangi antarango, Sri Krishna bhajana monohar. Tirthapal, fruits of visiting pilgrimage, is sadhu sangha, association of sadhu. How? Antaranga, sadhu sangha antaranga, intimate manner to associate with sadhu. Then Sri Krishna bhajana monohar. Sri Krishna service, bhajan means service. Monohar, taking mind, stealing our mind. Monohara, mon means mind, hara means stealing. That service. That means how we are observing Navadvip Dham Parikrama, how we are observing Vrindavan Dham Parikrama. Not like going for fun. We are going only with Vaishnavas, leading Sankirtan. We are following the Sankirtan. Then we are sitting each places. Then we are listening their glorification, the place glorification. Then we are releasing that place. Nowadays all the sacred place really going to be in another shape because of this influence of Kali. Vrindavan, no more Vrindavan, no more forest exists. Only concrete jungle appeared like concrete jungle instead of really green tree, fruits tree. Therefore monkey coming to all the houses, they are trying to steal. Even if you go to Loibazar, you can see Seva Kunj wall, they are sitting and a little bit pest house, they are coming. If you have eyeglass in your eyes, then you can see it is not there. It is in the monkey's hand. Then they have some condition. They are asking some food. Which food? Nowadays they are asking fruity juice. If you just give them any kind of chickpea, they are not happy. They will not give you that, your eyeglass or any time mobile or whatever they are taking. If you are not ready to give in 5-10 minutes, they will just break it and throw it. That is the monkey, because of this no forest. Before, so many forests, so many fruits, they have enough to eat, they doesn't disturb us. But now they are disturbing. So, tirtha phala sadhu sangha, sadhu sangha antaranga. Sadhu sangha means not like, okay, sadhu one place, I am one place, sadhu says another thing. Sadhu says one thing, I am following another thing. Sadhu speaking the glories of this place. We are searching some Coca-Cola, cold drinks to drink in shop. It's not like a tirtha or sadhu sangha. It's not calling the sadhu sangha. Whatever sadhu says, follow. Means listen carefully and apply in your life. Then it's called sadhu sangha. Then accordingly, try to keep your effort, best effort to render some service of Lord Krishna. Then you can see your mind still in that service, Krishna bhajan. Then Bhaktivinoda says, Jatha sadhu tatha tirtho sthir kori nijo chitta sadhu sangha karo nirantar. Jatha sadhu, where sadhu, tatha tirtha, that place will consider it. Why? Because in the heart, I explained, in the heart of sadhu, Govinda is resting forever. Tomara hridaya sada Govinda Vishram. Then, sthir kare nijo chitta. Fixed your chitta. Where? This information. Where is sadhu? That is my tirtha. You know, there is I heard, I don't know that is true or not. Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Saraswati Thakur, once he was in Vrindavan. It was also half Kumbh Mela here, Vrindavan Kumbh Mela. Vrindavan, Prabhupada. Few devotees, they are always trying to see Kumbh Mela. Yeah. The Prabhupada speaking Harikatha. You know, Kumbh Mela have some one period to take bath in the Jamuna period. So devotees are busy to take bath in that time in the Jamuna river. Prabhupada speaking Harikatha, they are just trying to go out because, and Prabhupada asked, where are you going now? Then they say, we are going to get the time for taking bath. This is auspicious time. Then Prabhupada says, Harikatha, you are not taking bath in Harikatha. And the water you take bath, that is most valuable for you. Think about it. You know, you understand what I say? This, we are speaking, I am speaking Harikatha. We are supposed to take bath in Harikatha. Therefore we are in Vrindavan. Instead of that, you are searching to take bath in the Jamuna river in auspicious time. In Vrindavan, all the time auspicious. Because 24 hours Krishna manifesting pastime here. do you see any kalpavriksha here? I mean, who is fulfilling? So this is the situation for us. We have some misconception. Even I heard from my spiritual master that whenever Calcutta Ultadingi Junction Road, Prabhupada used to speak in his room, then few devotees, they want to chant Gayatri, because Gayatri, evening time, Gayatri time, they want to chant Gayatri, therefore they want to leave. Then Prabhupada used to say, Harikatha is more valuable, your Gayatri more valuable than Harikatha? Gayatri means what? Gayatri means remembering Lord. Harikatha not allow you to remember Lord? In that way, Prabhupada Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur gave us such example that if we are in the sadhu, we have to know yatha sadhu tatha tirtha. Yatha sadhu tatha tirtha means if you consider anyone is a great sadhu, you have to know Krishna also here. Sthir Kajani Dijite, that we have to fix our mind in this way. Otherwise, we may not see the charisma. We may not see the charisma of Lord, charisma of sadhu. Sadhu Sangha Kara Nirantar. Then we can say Nirantar means constantly associate with sadhu. Then we can say we are householder. If we constantly associate with sadhu, then how to collect money, how to earn money and support my family. Nirantar means non-stop. Means what? To be with sadhu always. No, it is not like that. Physically, we may stay out because we have to make a balance between our material responsibilities, whatever we have, and spiritual practice, to make a balance between. We can say equilibrium between our material responsibility and spiritual practice. Equilibrium. But means we have to understand properly. Whatever sadhu says, we should try to follow in our life. That is called sadhu's association. Sadhu Sangha Karo Nirantar. Constantly sadhu. Constantly get association with sadhu. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Je tirthe Vaishnava nai, se tirthe nahi jai, ki labh hatiya duradesh. Where no Vaishnava livings, we should not go that place. Then he said, Kilab hatiya durada. What is the benefit to walk long path? The long path to walk, what is the benefit? No benefit. Just walking tirtha. This is not my explanation. This is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And Kirtan started with this, Mon mind, Tumi Sada Tirthe Rato. This is starting. You can just look Bhaktivinoda Thakur's song, then you can see all the line. I'm not telling you all song, but it's a part of the song. Yathai Vaishnavagan, Sai Sthana Vrindavan, Sai Sthane Ananda Ase. Where Vaishnavas are living, that place is considered to be Vrindavan. And that place Ananda Ase means unlimited blissful. Unlimited bliss, it exists there. Unlimited bliss, Ananda. Unlimited happiness, unlimited peace, unlimited love is there. This is true. If we really associate with Sadhu, Vaishnava, then we can have Krishna. We can realize Krishna. And where is Krishna? Krishna is embodiment of love, embodiment of bliss, embodiment of happiness, embodiment of peace. That we have to keep in our mind. Then Krishna Bhakti Jai Sthane Mukti Dasi Sei Khane Solil Tathaya Mandakini means Krishna Bhakti Jai Khane, Jai Sthane, where Krishna Bhakti exists. Mukti Dasi Sei Khane. Mukti, whatever we are trying to get liberation, that Dashi means servant of Lord. Mukti Dasi. Mukti Dasi Sei Khane is there. Means Krishna Bhakti Jai Khane. Mukti Dasi Sei Sthane. Dashi, Mukti. Mukti means liberation behind Krishna Bhakta, devotees of Krishna. I can give an example. What is our goal? What do you want to attain? We want to be eternal servant of Supreme Lord. Right? You want to serve Lord. You cannot stay away from abode of Supreme Lord. You will be abode of Supreme Lord. Then you can serve Lord. That means Salokko, same abode. Samippo, means near to Lord. When you serve, you have to be near to Lord. Sasti means same opulence of Lord. When you are with Lord, then you can have some opulence of Lord. Mukti Dasi behind you. And Sharupa, this form, this body, so much bad smell. Now Vrindavan is really, if you are, most of the people, still I am not putting soap in my body yet. Still. But definitely my body has that smell. Bad smell. Yeah. Don't take it other way. What is fact, I am telling you. I am not using any fragrance. But this most of the people I saw, they are taking soap every day, right? Then fragrance, perfume. This body like that. So therefore, God gave us perfect body, eternal body, never become old, never coming bad smell. For spiritual perfection body. That body which we call Siddhodeva, that will get it. Service, fixed service, eternal body, eternal outfit, everything eternal age. Sarupo. Huh? Only Sajujjo we don't want. But for Mukti behind us, the Mukti Dasi Seikhane. Huh? Salil Tatha Mandakini. Salil means river. Mandakini. River. Holy river. So anyway, that is the sadhu. Therefore we have to take shelter of sadhu, then we can reach Tirtha Pada Bhagavan. Without sadhu association, if we go to pilgrimage, we are not able to reach the Dhameshwar. Dhameshwar means holy place. The Vrindavan, Lord of the Vrindavan is Krishna. Ishwari, female Lord, is Radharani. Navadvip, Mayapur, Dhameshwar is Mahaprabhu. Jagannath Puri, Jagannath. We cannot realize it if you are not taking shelter of. Just today I gave class in Hindi language. Whenever my spiritual master used to come here in Vrindavan, you know this year, last year, means October, 2nd October, our Guru Maharaj's, 2nd October, 1st October, 2nd October, Guru Maharaj's Passion Puja day. There is a devotee named Nobin Krishna Prabhu came from Madhav Goswami Maharaj's temple at Kaliyadaha. He said, once my spiritual master came, Vrindavan, he reached Vrindavan around 7 to 8 p.m. He liked to immediately go to Gopeshwar Mandir. So he took him to Gopeshwar Mandir. And then he asked, why? Baba, Gurudev told him, without Gopeshwar blessings in our material eyes, we are not able to see any holy place. We need Vaishnava blessings. Such a look. He is 70 years practicing. More than 70 years that time. He is chanting under the shelter of Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur. Therefore, we have to know whatever Mahajan follow, we have to follow their footsteps. Even Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta also showing the same example. When you go to holy place, Vaishnavanam Jata Sambhu, Sadasi Vaishnava, we have to visit, get blessings, and try to Nirupadhik Prem, try to get Nirupadhik Prem, have no any kind of material desire. Only one desire, to see the mystery, how Lord manifests. Like a Bhojan Thali, if you go there, Belpukur, here Vrindavan, Belpukur, if you go there, if you read the past times, all the cowherd boys, they are hungry. They are hungry, so they are asking Krishna, we are really hungry, please give me something. Then Krishna playing flute. Then all the wood apple, bale means wood apple coming. How many cowherd boys, that many big ripe wood apple. and sweet, juicy, creamy wood apple came, and then everybody honor it. Therefore, wood apple called bell. Bell. So therefore, that place name is Belbugur. Then Bhojan Thali, same thing. The Krishna playing flute, all the thali means plate full of prasad, chappanna bhog, 56 type of menu appeared there. So such type of charisma, mysterious charisma, we can see by the grace of Vaishnavas. The greatest Vaishnava, Sadashiv. In every holy place, he is sitting there, like Vrindavan Gopeshwar Mahadev. Therefore, Gurudev brought Naveen Krishna Prabhu as his assistant. Even he arrived 7 to 7:30. Then he came all the way by walking. Then going back, he was searching Rickshaw. Rickshaw was not available that time. He was so. I can't remember he went back, rickshaw or not, that I don't know. To explain what was his real nature. Whenever he go any holy places, he always trying to stay surrounding Vaishnava and go to visit the Shiva temple, Sadashiva temple and get blessings, then he go ahead. Why? Because Vaishnava's blessings needed. Therefore, Yathai Vaishnavagam says Tham Vrindavan. In the heart of Shiva, who is sitting there? In the heart of pure devotee, who is sitting there? Therefore, Tirtha Pada, Bhagavan. If anyone takes shelter of Bhagavan wholeheartedly, we have to take shelter of them. Then we can have everything. That's a Vaishnava. Through the Vaishnava's mercy, we can have Krishna's mercy. That is that we have to understand, that we should try our best way to follow it. We should not be aggressive. We should not be independent. We should always follow the footsteps of our previous teachers. That is Vaishnava Dharma. And if we follow it, then we can get the realization of your spiritual practice. Then Jamuna Muni Virajita Stotra Ratne Muni Bhavantu Mevanuchara Nirantara Prashanta Nishesha Monorathastara Kadai Moikanti Nitya Kinkara Pavarshai Swami Sanatho Jivitam. Means that Mevanuchara Nirantaram Bhavantu Mevanuchara Nirantaram Prashanta Nishesha Monorathantaram Prashanta Nishesha Monorathantara. Monoru, Mon which riding the chariot. The human Kadai Mukha Kanti Nitya Kinkara Prahashyami Shanatha Jivitam. There is no explanation. There is no explanation given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Not mentioned here. Anyway, I am just trying to explain. Bhavantu meva nuchara nirantar. Always try to bhavana. Bhavana means keep your mood. Nirantara mood. Nirantara. Prashanta nishesha monorathantara. Monorath. Monorathantara means mind you have to always take it to the Prashanta Nishesha, that place where you can get Prashanta means real peace. Kada ho maika kanti nitta kinkara. Always try to be eternal servant of that embodiment of peace. Prahishi Shami Shanata Jivitam. He Nath Jivitam. That who is that? Natha Jivitam, all the Jiva, all the living entities, who is the Lord. In that way he explained. There is no explanation, no by Prabhupada. Yeah, no Prabhupada explanation. 72 is there. No, Madhya Pratham Parichaya. Pratham Parichaya. There is Anubhashya is there. Yeah, Pratham Parichaya. Just a minute, excuse me. I like to let you know. Prabhupada, what he said, Dushvachoy. This is not explained here. This should be here. ठीक है. अच्छा. আপনার নিরন্তর সেবার দ্বারা অন্য মনোরথ নিশেষিত হইয়া প্রশান্ত ভাবে আমি কবে আপনার নিত্য কিঙ্কর বলে দাস জীবনের সহিত আনন্দ প্রফুল্ল হইব. নিত্য কিঙ্কর, আপনার নিত্য কিঙ্কর মানে আপনার নিরন্তর সেবার দ্বারা, নিরন্তর সেবা, non-stop service. I think I explained one day that Raghunath Das Goswami says that whatever Veda says dharma and adharma, religiosity and non-religiosity, just leave everything and think about Braja Radha Krishna. You have to dedicate Nirantar, non-stop dedication to serve Radha Krishna in Vrindavan. Here, if you have Apana Nirantar Sevar Dara, Onno Monorath Nishechita. Whatever mind wants to go different direction in material world, if we constantly engage our mind to serve Lord, then that chariot which Monorath will not divert at any places. It will go to their Prashanta Bhava. Prashanta Bhava means kabe. Prashanta Bhava means fix the mood to serve Lord and become your eternal servant. This is the Das Jivana Sri Ananda Prabhu. Kinkar means here, writing here, but explanation 8 chapter before. They have not explained that. Therefore, I am not able to find out. So anyway, then Lord says, Prabhu kahe evo hoy, kichu age ar, because before Lord's, Ramananda says, Dasya Prem, right? I think I read that, Dasya Prem? Huh? Dasya Prem, the now is Sokho. Prabhu kahe evo hoy, kichu age ar. Prabhu means Mahaprabhu says, it is okay, Dasya Prem, but go ahead, further developing. Rai kahe Sokho Prem, Sarva Saddha Sar. Rai say, Sokho Prem, Sokho means friends, Shakha, bosom friend. Actually, English bosom friend, right? Friend is not like your ordinary. Sokho is more close. Bosom friend, right? Bosom friend. That friend. This is the ultimate goal of our spiritual practice. And as soon as Ramananda says so, then what Bhaktivinoda Thakur say? In the eyes of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, what he say? এই কথা শুনিয়া প্রভু কহিলেন, আর কিছু আগে যাইতে পারিলেই সর্বসার মিলিবে। রায় তার উত্তর করিলেন, শ্রীকৃষ্ণের সখ্যপ্রেমী সর্বসাধ্য সার। রায়ের তাৎপর্য এই যে দাস্যপ্রেমে মমতা থাকিল, তাহাতে ভগবান প্রভু এই বুদ্ধিজনিত একটি ভয় ও সম্ভ্রম সহজে উদিত হয়। সেই ভয় ও সম্ভ্রম পরিত্যাগপূর্বক বিশ্রম্ভ অর্থাৎ একান্ত বিশ্বাসকে বরণ করিতে পারিলেই সেই প্রেমই সখ্য প্রেম হয়। ভয় সম্ভ্রম, ভয় মিন্স no, dasya, serpent. Serpent means I have some fear. What is that? Sambhram, I have some feeling of reluctant. Someone reluctant.
There's some reservation.
Some
reservation.
Sambhram.
You have some reservations. You can't be fully open.
Some kind of reservation. Or if I say use that, it's reluctant. You know proper word? So anyway, reservation, he's American, he knows better than me. So some reservation is there, always not fully open your heart, always thinking, oh, I am right or wrong, I am right or wrong. But Sokho pain is mood of Vishrambho. Vishrambho means Vishwas. Ekanta Vishwas means firm belief, firm belief we can say. Believe with firm faith. Vishrambho. That is Sokho. This is higher than Dasya. Sokho is higher than Dasya. In this regard, there is explanation. This is true, Krishna, the Talbon, when you go to Talbon, Tal is tall tree. All those cowherd boy, they want to take Tal. You know this, but Talbon, Balaram killed donkey, Dhanukasura. Who is Dhanukasura? You know who is Dhanukasura? Dhanukasura is son of Bali Maharaj. His name was Sahosik. So once Durvasa Rishi, he was there for meditation, and Sahosik, with so many girls, fulfilling his sense gratification desire. Sahasik like that. Then that activities, Durvasa is felt disturbed of his meditation. I know many of when feel any of he always cursing. The Durvasa is a curse. Curse the Sahasik. Hey! He looks like a donkey. You're acting like a donkey. I curse you become donkey. Therefore says Sahasik, Balimara's son, become donkey. We know Bali Maharaj is Mahajan. Bali Maharaj Atmadan is submissive to Lord. The Krishna promising he will not kill his any kind of members, any of his family member. Therefore, although there is Krishna, but Krishna not killing, Balaram killed. Donkey, all the Gardha, Dula means donkey killed by Balaram. Just take, finish. Take, finish. You know. So when they are all the cowherd boys, they have strong desire to get that tal fruits. You don't know man, tal fruit means what. You don't see about tal. You may not see the tal, but I know I'm from tropical country. Especially in Bengal, it's big tal. And it's such a juicy, creamy, sweet, creamy type of juice, sweet, color yellow. It also cleansing our intestine. Really. And my mother used to cook dal roti. Dal fuluri okay, but dal roti more tasty. Dal pakoda, dal, this is a fuluri. In Bengali or fuluri one.
Yes, they were saying that she used to always make for me when I went to Aura.
Yeah. Dal and luchi, fry. See, all those things. Because we have so many dal tree when we are used to stay. Dal season is rainy season time, dal season. It's ripe and going down. Then we take the scream out, make our grandmother, mother, auntie, they make dal roti. Oh, that day I used to take double number than normal number. I used to take 8 chapati, maybe that day I take 12. Like that. So my belly is so big that time. Anyway, Sakhope, that Vishrambha mood we have to establish. That if you really want to serve Lord with Sakhope Lord, friendship, love. So that talbot. So just look. Tall palm tree, tall tree, how to go there? They cannot go up. To make plant, Krishna should be bottom. Krishna, then Krishna's shoulder, one more cowherd boys. Krishna taking all pressure. And another one, also that shoulder. In that way they reach the tall tree. Then they pick up the dal, then taste the dal, really sweety. Sweet or not, everyone from the top, everyone tasting. Why? This is really sweet, good for Krishna or not. So Krishna also eating their all remnants. Everyone remnants. They are not feeling any we can say, yeah, we are they're not feeling that, oh, he is our Lord. How can I offer our remnant to Lord? Right? Like Sabari. Sabari, he was such a loving attachment towards Ram because her guru, Matanga Rishi, informed her, Ramchandra will come, you have to greet Ramchandra. He will come to your kuti, Ramchandra. Therefore, Sabari every day prepared from her youth age. And now she become old, extremely old. Ramchandra came. She is unable to see properly. But Ramchandra arrived and out of happiness, berry fruits, he is testing, is sour or sweet. So it is testing and giving, offering to Lord Ram. And Lakshman said, brother, is remnant of him, Sabari. Then Ramchandra said, it is also sweet. Means fruits is sweet, mood also sweet. Most important sweet. Like an example, I give an example. Vidur's wife, how she offer. Even this in Vrindavan, whoever really Brajavashi, if you go to their home, I saw this Nilmani Pandas, when he physically alive, I used to go to their home. And his wife also alive that time. Cook chapati on this courtyard, open fire, and then beside there is one tulsi plant there. Under the tulsi plant there is one Giriraj. She is cooking and then throwing to Giriraj. Lalla lelo. In that way. And giving me. Can you imagine? Now Nilmani Panda left his body, his wife left his wife, he's shone. I think they are not anymore carrying that tradition. They are not coming anymore. So anyway, I saw that tradition, that there are whoever traditional Brajavashi, their tendency like that, right? They are not just keeping proper thali on a plate, putting there, then properly bowl. They are not following that. Even when I bake, when I go to Madhukuri in Anor village, this is the same. In 5 to 10 minutes I was standing on one house home in front of that door, just standing there. I just asked chapati, Radhe, ruti kuch hai? Ruti. According to the language, ruti, chapati. Can I have some chapati? All the windows, so many women, they're putting their, showing their face and telling me, Baba, prosa ruk jaiye. Main leke aa raha chapati. Miraculously, this. In 5 to 10 minutes, I got 16 piece chapati, hot, with ghee, pure ghee, pickles. And they're asking me, Baba, do you have any can, means container? No, I don't have. Hamara paas chaach hai, buttermilk I have. I can give. Then I request them, can give the inaccurate, any kind of plastic bag if you have. Put it there, I can take it later on. Miraculous, this. And then I just, this, Then I was thinking, because without sweets I cannot take that time. Now I make my habit. Without sweets I can eat. I just trying to search some song. Because in my pocket I have 2 rupees that time. I'm talking about 1994. 2 rupees I have in my pocket. Then I can buy some gold. The 16 piece chapati I have to eat. I cannot finish it. I was searching grocery shop to buy some gold. Then I saw so many buffalo coming, and among the buffalo is a small boy bringing all the buffalo. Really that time, atmosphere 1994, looks rich. Then I asked him, यहीं पे आजू बाजू में कोई की दुकान है कि किराना का दुकान? किराना दुकान में do you have any kind of grocery shop here? Then he asked me, क्यों? Why? I said, actually I like to buy some gold, means jaggery, melash, sugar cane, gold. So anyway, गुड़ चाहिए? हाँ? थोड़ा सा रुक जाइए. पूरा बाफेलो को छोड़ दिया, भैंसा को छोड़ दिया पूरा. वो तो अपसाइड जा रहा, दौड़ जा रहा है. 2 मिनट में इतना गुड़ लेके आया. माने this much quantity gold and hot. There is sugarcane juice. They're making good there, nearby. He knew that. And then they give this much quantity. Hot sugarcane good, jaggery. That day I just went to Govinda Kund and ate. Delicious. Not able to finish everything. That is the history. They are not thinking about this, preparation, offering, lot of time we are spending. Just spend cooking, lalla tu le lo, sukhorash. Covered boys, they are not thinking, he is God. He is thinking, we have to feed him nicely. Best thing, we have to feed him. They are testing the dal fruits. Sweet or not. That is the mood of Sakharas. Whatever we are doing, all are like a vidhi marg. But Shastra say, vidhi marg rato jane, shadhinata ratna jane. Rag marge karana pravesh. Means vidhi margo, means rules and regulations. If you follow like a syllable, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all those 26 syllables. If you just first you learn, then gradually make word, then sentence. All structure, whatever you writing, all connected with syllable. So vidhi you have to know first. Then you can make sentence as you like. If you don't know the syllable, you cannot make word, you cannot make sentence. So therefore we have to always follow first steps, vidhi, rules, regulations you have to know. Then spontaneous love will appear. Then automatically it will go in the loving direction. So, Sakharas also one type of Rag Bhakti. But stop, Lord also says, go ahead. Let me read tomorrow whatever Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto say about the Shakha-rash, and then we can go ahead, rest. So now our time over. So thank you very much for your time, and we can come tomorrow this time. And I hope you understand what I explained about Tirthapada and who is servant of Tirthapada. They are sadhu. All the practice we are able to perfectly perform under the shelter of, under the guidance, under the shelter of sadhu. Sadhu means pure devotee. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Next day to